Here's something you might not have thought about. Does waiting in a swimming pool hydrate your body? Or does it dehydrate you? Contrary to what you might expect, spending time in a pool does not hydrate your body. Your skin just isn't built to absorb enough water to make a difference. In fact, being in a chlorinated pool for a long time can actually lead to mild dehydration. You're still sweating, even in water, and the chemicals can draw moisture from your skin. So if you're in the pool for a while, remember to drink water, even if you don't feel thirsty. Can pool pH levels affect your joints? If the pH of the water is too low, too acidic, it can irritate your skin and inflame your joints. Not great if you've got arthritis. That's why you want to keep pool water balanced between 7.2 and 7.8, right around your body's natural pH. Properly balanced pool water, especially if it's warm, can actually help arthritis, relaxing muscles and easing joint pressure thanks to buoyancy. So while swimming might not hydrate you from the outside, it sure can do wonders for sore joints. Just keep that water clean and balanced. Stay cool. Stay balanced. Stay hydrated.